So I'm pleased to announce that we have an agreement, and it's with the help of the President, the Speaker, we were able to come with an agreement to protect the sanctity of life in the healthcare reform, that there will be no public funding for abortion in this legislation. We've all stood on principle. It's a principle we've carried forward ever since June 25th when we first signed a letter to the Speaker saying, as we do healthcare reform, we do not want any public funding for abortion. We expect the current Hyde language to apply throughout this healthcare bill. We've always said, most of us at least, that we were for healthcare reform. We wanted to see healthcare reform, but there was a principle that meant more to us than anything, and that was the sanctity of life, that you have to continue with that moral principle of protecting those unborn children. So I've always supported healthcare reform. We demanded the current law be there, that the sacred promise be kept, and I'm pleased to say we have. Today, the President has announced he will be signing an executive order. That executive order will be signed after the healthcare legislation, as it refers back to the healthcare legislation, to reinforce that principle, that belief that we all stood on: no public funding for abortion.